So for 4 consecutive months, I invested in the FGN Savings Bond, and in today's video, I'll be telling you what you need to know about the FGN Savings Bond. It's more like my review on investing there. I'll tell you everything I've experienced in this past month I invested, and if it's a good investment for you to go into. If it is scammed by the federal government of Nigeria, all you need to know about the federal government of Nigeria Savings Bond will be communicated to you in today's video. So for those that don't really know what the FGN Savings Bond is all about, this is a debt you pay to the federal government of Nigeria through the Debt Management Office. So you give the federal government of Nigeria a certain amount of money for a period of 2 years or 3 years, and they give you return on investment. So they pay 4 times every year, every quarter, so which means you are receiving your money every 3 months after you invested. It's a great investment because of you are getting about 50% return on investment based on the recent interest rate they are giving, about 18% for the 3 years tenure and about 17% for the 2 years tenure. So a lot of persons have been investing into the FGN Savings Bond. I've seen some complaints out there. Some persons have been complaining. I'm here to answer all your questions and things you need to know about investing in the federal government of Nigeria Savings Bond. So now, if you want to invest in this savings bond, all you need to do is to create yourself a brokerage account, depending on which brokerage account you want to use. Personally, I use AfriInvestor 2.0 as my brokerage account, and that's the place I've been using to invest in this bond. How do you go about investing? Once you create yourself a brokerage account, you then get a link from your brokerage firm when this bond subscription is available. It's usually available from the first week of the month. So from the first Monday to the first Friday of the month, the bond is available for you to invest. Now let's go back to the review of this bond. My first investment was in September. I also invested in October, November, and December. So by right, I'm supposed to be paid on the 11th of December based on the subscription. They said they are going to be paying coupon on the 11th of December. As at last year, 11th of December, I received no fund from the federal government of Nigeria Savings Bond. I waited and did not receive any fund. On the 12th, I did not receive any fund. It was on the 13th they credited me with the percentage I'm supposed to get for the first quarter that I invested, and they paid me on the 13th of December, which means for the September savings bond, it was quite delayed. So that was my first time investing. I did not really panic. I just shared it to my YouTube community, telling them that the federal government of Nigeria has paid me for the first time for the savings bond. Now for the October subscription, I was supposed to be paid on the 16th of January, that's yesterday, but I did not get the cash yesterday. But when I entered my AfriInvestor 2.0 dashboard, I saw it has already been deducted, like the interest I'm supposed to be paid. But I got the cash today, the 17th of January, so it was delayed for about 24 hours. Now one thing you should understand is that sometimes this delay might not just be from the federal government of Nigeria. Probably it's your brokerage company. I don't really know where the delay is coming from. I've been paid directly to your bank account. You are not being paid to your brokerage account, so you get it directly. So I feel it's the federal government of Nigeria that is delaying this investment. So far so good. I've been receiving interest from this federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond directly to my bank account, so it's a great investment. They have not scammed me. It's not a scam. I'm still enjoying their interest, and I'm hoping that in about 3 years time I'll be able to cash out my capital. So if you want to go ahead investing in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond, I'll see it's a green flag for me. You can go ahead investing in the federal government of Nigerian Savings Bond because of they pay you, you are getting your cash, they are not scamming you. It's a secured investment, which means the risk of investing here is very low because it is backed by the federal government of Nigeria. You can drop your comments in the comment section on any question you have to ask as regards the federal government of Nigeria Savings Bond. I've done a detailed video on how to go about investing in this saving opportunity, so you can go ahead checking that video out there. I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till our next one, peace.